Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to connect a wallet in CoinRabbit. If you're coming from the Defi apps, you might expect a connect wallet button, but CoinRabbit works differently and it doesn't require direct wallet integration. Instead, you can also connect a wallet by sending crypto or your loan's address. So first, you need to open to your CoinRabbit. In the top, there's an address bar. Type on coinrabbit.io and enter it. And go to this My Wallet at the top right. Over here in the left hand side we can find there's a settings icon. Click onto the settings icon here, and under this scroll a bit down, and over here under this setting we can find to this wallet connect here. Click onto this wallet connect, and over here you can connect your wallet from this QR as well. You can scan it with your QR, or you can also select any of the tabs up on the bottom as well. That's a Binance Safe verifier box. You can select and proceed it, and after that you can continue with your wallet in CoinRabbit as well. And connecting your wallet on CoinRabbit is actually easier, and no approval, no linking. That is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.